Welcome to the UNUHE Interpreter Manager App. This app will guide you through all of your appointments, how to accept appointments, and schedule appointments. The first thing that you're going to need to do is download the Boost Lingo for Interpreters app on the App Store. Once you have that downloaded, open the app. When you first log in, you'll see that you are directed to the on-demand status. You can disregard this page completely because we are not setting up any on-demand calls. What you'll really need to focus on are the appointments. Go to the Appointments tab. Within the Appointments tab, you'll see 4 different sections. You'll see Invitations, you'll see Accepted, you will see Confirmed, and you will see In Progress. Let's start with the invitations. An invitation is when a client books an appointment with UNUHE and a message gets sent out to all of the interpreters that qualify for that appointment. So when you receive an invitation for an appointment, you can click on the invitation and get more information about it. Notice on here, you'll see what language the client is looking for. You'll also see the location of the appointment. When you click on the Details tab, there will be more information at the bottom of this to see if you're interested in this appointment. If this is an appointment that you're interested in, you can either click the Accept or Decline button. Once you click the Accept button, now it will fall into the Accepted Appointments tab. This does not mean that you have the job yet. The staff at UNUHE will approve the job for you, and then that will go into the next tab, Confirmed. Let's go back to the Accepted. So if we look at one of the Accepted, you'll notice that it says the confirmation is pending. And again, the UNUHE staff needs to confirm the appointment for you to actually receive the appointment. If for some reason you're not able to take the appointment any longer, you can always click the Cancel Participation button. So once UNUHE confirms your appointment, then that appointment will fall into this tab. Again, you'll have the location of the appointment, all of the details, the time, the date, how long the appointment is for, and if you need more information, you can click the Details tab. And finally, the In Progress tab would be all of the appointments that are currently in progress. So once your appointment time has come and you are in an appointment, that's where that information will show up. The next thing we'd like you to focus on are the settings in the account. If you click the menu in the upper left-hand corner, click on Settings. The biggest thing here is that you make sure that you enable notifications. This is how we will be contacting you for future appointments that you can accept or decline. That's all for the UNUHE Interpreter Manager app. It is a great place for you to view upcoming appointments, accept them, and confirm them. If you have any questions, please contact the UNUHE staff and we'll help guide you through this process further.